Okay, folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends and families and watch all my videos till the end. Thank you for the support. Let's look at the lowest common multiple, right? I'm going to show you various methods to do that. I'm going to start with the easy one. The easy one, you find the multiples of each number. Let's start with 6. Let's find the multiples of 6. It's 6, 12. I'm going to take the first 10. 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that'll be 60. Okay, let's go to the multiples of 8. It's 8, the first one, 16, 24, 36, 44, 44, and after 44 it will be 52, 60, and 68. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, two more. That will be 76 and 84. So those are the first 10 multiples. So from those 10 multiples, let's get the common multiple. The common multiples there, let me highlight them. It's 24, right? And another one is 36, right? And another one is 60. Another one is 60 there. Those are the common multiples there. So let's write the common multiples. It's 24, and the second one is 36, and the last one out of the first 10 multiples there, it's 60. So now let's look at the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple out of those multiples that you have, it's going to be the first one there, the lowest there, which is 24. It's going to be 24. That's the first method, and that's the easiest. Let's look at another method using a ladder. It's a little bit tricky, but it's easy as well. Let's use that method, and in this method we're going to use the ladder of 6. We'll say 6 divided by 2, it's 3, and 3 divided by 3, it's 1. And then we use the ladder for 8, right? So we're going to say 8 divided by 2, it's 4, and 4 divided by 2, it's 2, and 2 divided by 2, it's 1. Now, what do you do here? I'm gonna start with 8. I'm gonna list these prime factors of 8 here. So 8 is made up of those prime factors. 2 times 2 times 2, right? And then we go to 6. At 6 it's 2 times, I'm going to put the 3 there at the end, because I already started with 2's, so that means anything that will be here, it will be 2. So anything that is not 2, I'll put it far aside. So now let's look here. What is the LCM here? The LCM here, we have 2, so we're going to write 2 there, and we have 2. We're going to times by 2, and we have another 2 there, and then we times by 2, and we have 3 there, we times by 3. So 2 times 2, it's 4 times 2, it's 8 times 3, it's what? 24. That's another way. Okay, let's look at it another way using the ladder as well. Alternatively, what you can do here, you can start with 6 or 8. Okay, let's say alternative, it's 6. These prime numbers for 6, it's 2 times 3. And then for 8, it's 2 times 2 times 2. So, to put this in an exponential form, it's going to be 2 to the power 3. Here you just have 2 times 3. They have power 1 there. So now, here you have 2, but it's 2 to the power 1, and you have 2, it's 2 to the power 3. So for an LCM, you're going to take the 2 with the highest power, which is 2 to the power 3, and then you times. And then here you have 3 to the power 1, and you don't have 3 here. So you're going to multiply by that 3. So 2 to the power 3, it's 8 times 3, which is what? 24. That's another way. Okay, let's look at the second question and see if we really understand it now. We're going to use ladder in this one. We're not going to use list of the prime numbers. So it's 12. 12 divided by 2, it's 6. 6 divided by 2, it's 3. And 3 divided by 3, it's 1. And then 15. And then 15, it's 15 divided by 3, it's 5, and 5 divided by 5, it's 1, right? Now, let's use the first way. Let's start with 12. 12 is made up of 2 times 2 times 3. So let's go to 15. 15 is made up of 3, so I'm going to put the 3 under this 3, and then times 5 from the 15. So what you do here for an LCM, this is what you do. You have 2 there and nothing there at the bottom, 2 there and nothing at the bottom. You have 3, and you have nothing at the top and 5 at the bottom. So what do you have there? It's 2 times, and you have the 2 in that bubble times, and in this bubble we have 3. What is common? It's 3 there, and then you times by what? By 5. So you're not gonna put 3 times 3 there, you're just gonna put 1 3. So 2 times 2, it's 4, times 3 times 5, it's 15. So the 4 times 15, it's what? It's 60. Let's look if we get 60 using the same way, but now we list those prime factors. 12 is made by 2 times 2 times 3, and 15 is made by 3 times 5. Now what do you do in this way? Now you put the exponential. 2 times 2 in an exponential form is going to be 2 to the power 2 times 3, and then here you cannot put them in an exponential form. They're already in exponential form, which is 3 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 1. Now in this one, you look at the first number there, it's 2 to the power 2. Do you have another 2 there? No. So that means we are taking that number for an LCM. It's going to be 2 to the power 2. And then we go to 3. You have 3 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1 there. So that means we're going to take what? 3. Because they're both the same. These numbers, they're both the same. So we take one of each. One of both those numbers. So here we have 5 and we don't have 5 there. That means we're taking that 5. We multiply by that 5. So we have 2 to the power 2. It's 4 times 3 times 5, which is, do you see? It's similar to that one. Which is going to be 4 times 15, which is what? 60. So our LCM is 60, and it's 60 there.